we're going to pick back up at the anterior femur. So we're going to do a rectus test, and if I can have you resist, and it goes weak, so we're going to do a softball size motion and look for the spot of resistance, and then we're going to retest, and it's now grade 5 and strong. And now we're going to test for the internal and external rotation of the hip, and we're going to do the TFL test. So if I can have you resist, and it goes weak, so we're going to come in and check for an external subluxation, internal rotation, and the opposite way, or an internal subluxation, external rotation. So we're going to come back in and do an A to P adjustment, and then retest, and it is now a grade 5 and strong. And from there we're going to go into wrist extension technique. And Theo, if I can have you hop up for a second, and I'll show how to do this on the table. For the hip, or for the knee, it's going to be 50 to 70 on your non-dominant hand and 10 to 15 with your speed hand. And then for the hip and the anterior humerus, it would be 10 to 15 on both the non-dominant hand and the speed hand. And then you hold for 2 seconds. So Theo, if I can have you lay back down for me, I'm going to test the knee. Extension. And there's movement on the medial side, so if I can have you flip over. And hold. And if I can have you flip back over, and I will retest the knee. And it is now a grade 5. And we're going to do the rectus test once more to check for the hip or anterior femur. And it goes weak. So find the trach anterior, up and down the knee, or the fib head. Hold for 2 seconds, and then we'll retest. Have you resist, and it is now strong in a grade 5. And then for the shoulder, you'll find the deltoid pectoral groove, and line up with that. And if I can have you look that way, and this is 10 to 15 and 10 to 15 pressure. Oh, hold on, I need a test for that. And if I can have you resist, and it goes weak, so now we'll redo it. And thank you. 2, and then we'll retest. It is now strong in a grade 5, and that's lower extremity.